Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use TikTok dual camera in live streaming. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can live stream on TikTok using the dual camera. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your app store, your Play Store, and then update your TikTok application. So you just search for your TikTok over here. So if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. So just update your TikTok over here. Now once you have updated your TikTok, now all you want to do is to just open your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, you can see the plus sign in the middle over here. Click on this plus and then scroll to where you can see live. And once you click on live, you can see device camera. Now just click on device camera, but before you go live, I'll advise you to do these settings. You can set your you can see beautify over here, and you can see effect. You can select your favorite effect, and you can see settings over here. Click on settings and you can choose to select your moderators over here, and you can see video quality. Select the video quality to the first one so that you can get the highest quality in your TikTok live. And also you can just select your lens or the effect over here. Now click on dual over here. Now this time around you can use the front and back camera. So once you select dual over here, you can see rectangle, and you can see circle over here. So you can choose to drag it, or you can choose to adjust it over here. So if you want to show something using the front camera, you can see it over here. And if you want to show your face, so you can live stream and then also show something, or if you want to give your followers any tutorial, you can use the front camera over here whilst you are showing your face. So this is very, very cool to use, and that's it. So this is very, very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video